head out to Jetty Park, to the boat ramp, the public boat launch. They launch boats there.
We are rolling through hour 2. I am Clay Travis. He is Buck Sexton. I appreciate all of you.
Then we'll circle back and go through the Cove, Rusty's, Fish Lips, Gators, all them places in there.
Afghanistan, 20 years overseas, that battle, that war, that never-ending struggle, still honestly going on, but we now have pulled all of our combat troops from that location. The battle over COVID intensifies as the Department of Justice is arguing that there are civil rights violations associated with that. We are scheduled in the next hour to be joined by 45 himself, former President Donald Trump. Should be a good conversation there. Joe Biden scheduled to address the nation at the bottom of this hour to discuss the departure from Afghanistan. We have got insanity at Buck Sexton's old college, Amherst, that we still have to discuss. The rules will blow your mind in terms of what they are requiring kids who are almost all vaccinated on campus to be doing. But I want to start here. Do you remember, because certainly we do, we played this clip for you, remember how Jen Psaki Mom herself, Little Red Riding Hood, how she said that she was really offended when Peter Doocy of
Gives you a good idea of the size of the port.
Likely to be stranding people in Afghanistan. She had a real issue with the use of the word stranded. Let's listen to that clip and refresh your memory.
First of all, I think
Coming up is the entrance to Jetty Park. I'm not going in there right now because we do have a pass, but I left that in my other damn car.
They want to return home.
And here is the best boat launch around here, bar none, and it's free.
When we have been very clear that we are not leaving Americans who want to return home, we are going to bring them home, and I think that's important for the American public to hear and understand.
That might have been important for them to hear and understand, but they can now hear and understand that you
And we're right across from the Trident submarine base, which doesn't look like there's anything in now. We'll see if the camera gets on anything.
Stranded in Afghanistan who are American citizens.
So what does that look like? How does diplomacy get those people out of the Taliban-controlled Afghanistan?
It's not completely unlike the way we do it elsewhere around the world. I mean, we have Americans that get stranded in countries.
Yeah, and right there across the
First of all,
the channel is the sub base.
Do you think that Peter Doocy gets an I'm
There's the
sorry
entrance
note and maybe a
to it
little
right there.
fruit basket or something from Jen Psaki, because I think
Off
he
to the right is the Atlantic Ocean.
Secretary there was
about as
being
far
so many lies
east as you can get, except for walking out on a pier.
If you give me an opinion, and the opinion can be right or wrong, but to be so earnest about the fact that
So you guys out fishing today?
and then have your own Pentagon saying, oh, we strand people all the time. Look, so of course the Biden administration has, the messaging during this has been a disaster because it's messaging about a disaster, right? They can't hide from the videos that we've all seen, and this is different, as we pointed out, than what you would have in other situations where an authoritarian regime, whether it's the Iranians, the Chinese, the Russians, could shut down things, unrest and things like that. But I had friends who were texting me, hey, I'm texting with so-and-so on the ground right now in Afghanistan. Here's what he's telling me, or here's the photo that is being sent out right now of what the checkpoints look like. So it's a very different circumstance as a result of that. They couldn't really control the messaging. But on the issue of so you rightly have now filleted that lie like a fish, right? I mean, clearly it was a big lie that they weren't stranded or they weren't going to be stranded. What do we do about it at this phase, though? And this is
That
where
there, I believe, was the former Ron Jones Resort.
The Taliban not only
got turned into
had leverage up
some
to the
kind of
point in the
condo
last
or
year, that
timeshare
now
thing.
soon-to-be iconic photo of the last U.S. soldier leaving Afghanistan, the back of a transport plane. But Clay, we're going to have to ask the Taliban very nicely. Sure, we're going to say, oh, if you don't give us back our people, but they're going to say, oh, we have to vet, we have our own processes, and it'll be a drip, drip, drip of people able to leave. And this is, I think, best case scenario.
Sorry about the rattles. I got a bunch of crap in the back of